Some mornings, you don't plan a destination. You point the boat offshore and go. The Boston Whaler 360 Outrage was built for exactly that kind of morning. 60 years of building boats that don't sink. Edgewater, Florida. That's where Boston Whaler built 39 feet of center console with one job: get you offshore and keep you there. Triple Mercury Outboards, up to 1,200 horsepower. That puts you past the inlet before most people wake up. Blue water that felt far away an hour ago is right under the hull now. 14 passengers have room to actually move. The cockpit opens wide, teak trim throughout, premium seating, and enough foredeck to spread out. This is a center console that earns its size. Rods up, live wells loaded, full offshore spread. Joystick precision docking means the long ride home ends cleanly, no matter how tired the crew is. Optional Seakeeper stabilization keeps you steady offshore while you work. And when the afternoon weather builds fast, this hull has the power to get ahead of it. Golden hour at the cockpit. Teak armrests warm from the sun, water off the stern, know where you need to be. This is the part of the day people talk about all week. The 360 Outrage wasn't designed to be admired from the dock. It was designed to be on the water. For the full story on the Boston Whaler 360 Outrage, head to yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.